Part 1 Thursday Captain Boots StormKing unboxing in tobacco. See what they look like outside in natural light. I know online pics can be deceiving, so let's check them out outside in natural light and let me know what you guys think about the color. Comment below what you think about this color. Is there a color you prefer to get? Let me know. Drop your comment down below. I found the original Outsole with the TPU studs complete trash for Colorado. If you live in areas like I do where you get snow, ice, or maybe even rain, you might want to consider grabbing these as well. The studded version of this Outsole just made me feel like I'm walking on eggshells. I always felt like I'm about to bust my ass, and that defeats the purpose of having a good boot. The StormKing Outsole is just looking so much better for what I need them for here in Colorado. I think they're going to perform much better, and I look forward to trying them out in snow or ice. So also make sure you look out for that video. I'll be doing a part 2, going more in depth with everything. Talking about the quality, the performance. I'm just going to go way more in depth with it and give you guys a real perspective of their performance and see how they do. So make sure you guys stick around for that and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button. I know in previous videos I've said that the quality could be a hit or miss, but these are actually looking really nice. The stitching is on point. Everything just looks like they actually spent some good time making them, versus the other ones were kind of sloppy. Click the video on the screen and I'll see you in that video.